Venture into the untamed beauty of Patagonia, a region where nature's grandeur is on full display. Imagine standing before the awe-inspiring Perito Moreno Glacier, watching as colossal ice chunks calve into the pristine waters below. Thrill seekers can hike the rugged trails of Torres del Paine, where jagged peaks pierce the sky. Embrace the region's rich indigenous culture by visiting local Mapuche communities, learning about their traditions and crafts. Savor the distinct flavors of Patagonian cuisine, featuring lamb roasted over an open flame and fresh trout from crystal-clear rivers. Patagonia offers an unforgettable journey into a world of breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture.